Ort Exit gekennzeichnet. Leuchtstreifen im Boden zeigen den Weg dorthin.
Man, just cutting across the camera, he's pulling up the shot. Oh man, it's coming over again. What is going on up there with these birds? Oh my god, these friggin' parrots are killing me. This is gonna be so hard to film. This spot looked cool, so that's why I came here. For those of you who aren't aware, I am in Barcelona again. I was here about 5 months ago on a trip with a bunch of the boys for about 2 weeks. Since we were going to Estonia, we figured we'd make a trip instead of just traveling for 20 hours to ride a skate park for 2 days and then travel another 20 hours and come home. So I built up a new bike before I went to Simple Session, and I know a lot of you have been asking, what do I ride? That's why I'm filming another bike check. So getting right into it, starting off with the frame, I'm running a Colt Too Short frame. This time it's raw. I previously was running black. I've been running this frame for about a year now. I really enjoy it. It's got the short back end, which helps for grinds and spins and tail whips. I'm running MERRITT Solar grips. They have a basic design, super soft. They come with black bar ends as well that have metal inserts, so when your bike hits the ground, your bar ends just don't explode. Colt AK bars, 28.5 inches wide. I cut them down a little bit. They have a 9-inch rise, black MERRITT inaugural top load stem. I'm running a MERRITT headset with a MERRITT top cap. It's super clean. Instead of having multiple spacers, you just have one. Makes it look a lot better. I'm running Colt Sec V2 forks. They're black, MERRITT option tires, 2.35. They have a slide wall, so when you grind, instead of stopping, you'll slide. Pretty beefy, got a little bit of sand on it, but that's because I rode through that earlier. MERRITT complete wheel in the front, the MERRITT battle rim, MERRITT spokes, and MERRITT hub. 2 plastic hub guards. They have a metal ring on the inside, so it just doesn't snap, and it's been holding up pretty well. I'm running Colt butter pegs, 4.5 inches long. I'm not one to usually change my pegs, so whenever they grind down, I'll just keep rotating them. Colt DAC seat, black, with a pivotal Colt seat post. Got the FTL light on there, blue, looking good. Moving towards the bottom of my bike, I'm running a MERRITT 28 tooth black sprocket with a MERRITT 22mm bottom bracket. MERRITT battle cranks. These cranks are shorter than the cranks I was originally running. They're 165, which works perfectly with the short back end. Cranks just came out. They're super unique. They have this rubber cap that goes over the bolt. Instead of hitting metal on skin, you'll hit rubber on skin. MERRITT P1 pedals, super slim. Probably the best pedals I've ever ridden. I usually label my pedals since I do crank arm grind, so one side will always have pins and I don't get it mixed up. Colt half link chain. I'm running a MERRITT battle wheel complete. Their left-hand drive 9-tooth black. MERRITT option tire in the back as well, 2.35. That's my bike. I know a lot of you have been asking what I ride, so I hope you enjoyed. I'm here in Barcelona for about 5 more days. The goal is just to get as many clips as possible. I just want to give a shout out to Mike Brennan and Robbie Morales, MERRITT and Colt, for not only hooking me up with this beautiful bike, but for getting me out here in Barcelona and Estonia. Really appreciate that and everything you guys do. I apologize for the audio. I know it's a little rough. Birds chirping, dogs barking, people everywhere. It's just the city, that's how it is. But anyways, I'm gonna go meet up with the squad and probably just cruise around. Be on the lookout for a video dropping from my trip in Barcelona very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.